Hi everyone. Time does not stand still, as much as we would like to, but there is a consolation. Even after 6 decades of Harley customizing, even with the very latest, most technically sophisticated HD models of all time, maintaining the popular and proven custom styles is possible, even though Harley-Davidson is currently looking for new customers, new climbers in the saddle of their products. Sometimes you have to search for the future in the past. Because a surprising number of newcomers in the scene are looking for, and even in modern motorcycles, the old values, and the team of Thunderbike knows exactly these values in Harley's most modern models to wake up. Introducing a bolt-on and ride bike just at the end of the motorcycle season may seem a bit counterproductive, especially if you take the word ride literally. But the motorcycle season at Custom Chrome Europe has always lasted into autumn, and last but not least there's a not so unimportant season, customizing over the fall, winter and spring months. They like to show the latest parts on a complete motorcycle, especially if it is such a successful setup as the crossbob built by the longtime CCE partner Thunderbike and Handlebar. Because it's based on one of the newest Harley-Davidson models, the FXBB Streak Bob. The parts list is long and contains prominent names, which makes it hard to be brief. The invisible core of the suspension is the new lowering kit from Muller motorcycles, which allows the suspension to be lowered to 35 mm, for show purposes even 40 mm. Thunderbike quickly followed with a front fork lowering kit, further downsizing the seating position of the new Softail suspension. For a filigree new school look, CCE donated a set of RevTech Nitro black design wheels, of course with matching brake discs and drive pulley. The selected Radical tires with Heidenau K60 Scout tires and the lug profile provide the crossover touch. The fenders over the two rubbers are heavy metal by text, already finished with the new M8 Softails. The Milwaukee-Eight propulsion unit has been completely covered with new EMD covers, also current novelties, and Thunderbike's Grand Classic air cleaner fits perfectly to the theme. With the Dr.Jekill and Mr.Hyde equipment, the sound of the new M8 engine comes into its own, and the systems have been homologated since the launch of the M8 touring models. This custom build highlights an impressive array of new parts from several top brands, each contributing to the bike's unique style and performance. The handlebars come from Chopper Kings, offering both precision and a sleek design. Rebuffini supplies the hydraulic cylinders and switches, ensuring smooth control and top-tier craftsmanship. The distinctive headlights are from Chopper Kulture, adding a bold visual element to the front of the bike. For comfort and style, the seat is crafted by LePera, a name synonymous with high-quality custom motorcycle seats. The rear turn signals, designed by Hell's Kitchen, not only look sharp but also enhance safety on the road. In terms of functionality, the electric box from TLT allows for seamless adaptation to the modern CAN bus system, ensuring all electronic components work harmoniously together. And, of course, Thunderbike has left its mark on this build, providing an array of custom parts from their extensive catalog. This includes the rest system, the side mount license plate bracket, fork covers, and a host of other intricate details that pull the entire design together. Each part is carefully chosen to enhance both the bike's performance and its striking aesthetic. Bolt-on and ride history is rolling proof that even with Harley-Davidson's new chassis and engines, the classic styles can still be maintained and carried into the future. But now it's time to ride, because the days are getting shorter again. Thanks for watching.